Hey guys, what's up? In this video, we will see how you can easily create your own chatbot, without even a single line of code. So without wasting any time, let's get it started. Now, before we start, you will need a Communicate account for this video. If you don't have one yet, there's a registration link in the description box below. Register now for a 30-day free trial. Once you have done that, log into your Communicate dashboard. After logging in, from the side navigation panel, click on Bot Integrations. Now on this page, you can integrate with other platforms if you have any existing chatbot. For this tutorial, we will click on Compose. On the next page, you can either choose from our existing templates or create one from scratch. For that, let's click this blank template. After that, you'll be asked to give your bot a name of your choice. Then choose a bot avatar. You can even upload your own if you want. The last one on this page is to select a default language. Let's just go ahead with English for now. After that, just click Save and proceed. On the next page, you can choose to enable the automatic bot to human handoff feature. Your bot can hand off the conversation to a human team member when it is unable to recognize any user query. Once the handoff is done, the bot will stop replying. Let's just enable this feature and click Finish Bot Setup. Now, you've successfully created your bot. You can now set this bot to handle all your incoming queries, or you can do that later from the conversation settings. We'll allow it to handle all incoming queries for now. Next, you'll land on the Compose's Bot Builder section. Here you can create custom intents for your bot. Now here, the very first section is a welcome message. These are the messages which the bot will use to greet a user when the chat is initiated for the very first time. Now here, under Bot Says category, you can create the messages you want the user to see. You can create text messages, such as, "Hi, how may I help you?" You can add another text message by clicking the text button. You can also create buttons. Once you click on the buttons option, you will see two options. One is the default button, second is the link button. Default is just a text button, second is a button where you can put any link of your choice. On the right side of the screen, you can also see the live preview of how your chatbot is shaping up. You can also add images as messages, actions, and custom payloads as well, which we will see in the latter part of the video. Let's just click Save for now and move to another section, which is the Answer section. Here you can create intents for your most asked queries and all those what you expect from your customers. So to create an intent, first give your intent any name. Now under the User Says section, enter all the phrases for which you want this intent to be triggered. You can enter more than one phrase. Then go to the Bot Says section to enter the answers or messages for this intent. We already talked about the text part, let's see images now. So for that, just click on More, then click Image. Here you can either upload any image from your machine, or you can paste any image URL from the web. Once that is done, you'll be able to see the selected image in the preview window. Let's move ahead now. This handover action we will see later. For now, let's see how custom payloads work. Just click on the Custom Payload option. Here under the Payload window, click this link here. This link will take you to a web document where you can find templates for some pre-built custom payloads. Using this you can create lists, cards, carousels, etc. You can just quickly edit the code as per your need, and save yourselves the hassle of coding from scratch. Just copy the code from here. Go back to Communicate window and paste the code here. Edit the code as per your need. Check the progress from the preview window on the right side. Once you are done, click Train Bot. If you want to create more intents, just click this Add button from the left panel. Give your intent a name. Under the User Says section, enter your training phrases. Then under the Bot Says section, enter the replies you want the bot to send for those phrases. In our case, we have created a text message, and we will also quickly create a link button. Once all that is done, let's click Train Bot to save this intent. Now, let's move to another section, which is Small Talk. This section contains replies to generic messages such as hello, hi, good morning, etc. Your bot comes with some pre-built small talk messages, and you can always add more if you want. The last one is Default Fallback. This content is triggered when the bot is unable to match the user query to any of the available intents. You can create any message here as well, and you can also add the handover action. This action will make sure that as soon as this intent is triggered, it will apply your selected action to the conversation. You can choose whether to transfer the conversation onto any particular human team member, or even a team, or maybe to another bot. It's all your choice. Once all that is done, just click Save. Now you've successfully created and trained a bot to handle all your incoming queries from the right side. Let's click this test button and see how the chatbot is performing. Here is the test page. Let's click this chat widget. Once the chat window appears, you will see the chat bot has greeted us with the welcome messages and how easy it is to continue the conversation and get answers to our queries in no time. You can even customize the chat window to match the color and theme of your website. So guys, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful and I'll see you guys in the next one.